I'm Devi, and 3 years ago I had this crazy idea to start an air conditioning company. It all began in this tiny office, just me and a phone that rarely rang. I remember staring at that phone, willing it to ring, dreaming of the day we'd be more than just a one-woman show. And then, it happened. We landed our first big residential job. That's when things started to heat up, pun intended. Suddenly, I wasn't just Devi the technician. I was Devi the boss, Devi the accountant, Devi the customer service rep. As our team grew, so did the challenges. We were learning on the job quite literally. There were nights I'd wake up in a cold sweat, wondering if I'd made a huge mistake. But then I'd remember why we started this journey, to bring comfort to people's lives. That mission kept us going through the tough times, the late nights, the difficult clients, the unexpected breakdowns. We faced each challenge head-on, growing stronger. With every obstacle, we overcame. And as we grew, so did our ambitions. We weren't content with just being good. We wanted to be the best. That's when we made the big decision to expand into commercial services. It was a risk, but one that paid off. We went from cooling homes to entire office buildings. With each new project, we pushed ourselves further, innovating and improving our services. We invested in the latest technology, ensuring our clients always received top-notch service. But it wasn't just about the technology, it was about the people behind it. Our team grew from a handful of dedicated individuals to a force to be reckoned with, each member bringing their unique skills and passion to the table. Today, we're not just a company, we're a family. A family that's grown beyond my wildest dreams. We've cooled thousands of spaces, but what really warms my heart is the impact we've made. The smiles on our customers' faces when they feel that first blast of cool air on a scorching day. The pride in our team members' eyes when they solve a particularly tricky problem. The knowledge that we're not just providing a service, but improving people's quality of life. As we celebrate our 3rd anniversary, I can't help but feel excited for what the future holds. We're not just dreaming big anymore, we're making those dreams a reality. From that tiny office to where we are now, it's been an incredible journey. And we're just getting started. The next 3 years, they're going to be even cooler. To our customers, thank you for trusting us with your comfort. We wouldn't be here without you. And to our incredible team, you're the heart and soul of Devi Air Conditioning Solutions. Your dedication, your expertise, your passion, that's what makes us who we are. Together, we've built something amazing, something that makes a real difference in people's lives. So here's to 3 years of keeping it cool. And to many, many more. Because at Devi Air Conditioning Solutions, we're not just in the business of cooling spaces, we're in the business of creating comfort, 1 degree at a time. Thank you for being the coolest part of our journey. Here's to staying cool together, no matter how hot it gets out there.